Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical floor lamp, the perfect solution for outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from floor lamp, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best floor lamp from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. JOOFO 30-watt floor lamp with remote and touch control. The JOOFO 30-watt floor lamp is a powerful lighting solution designed for modern homes. With its sleek painted finish and a slim profile that fits easily into tight spaces, this floor lamp delivers both functionality and style. Standing at 68.9 inches tall and weighing 9.6 pounds, it offers impressive versatility, featuring a remote control with a range of up to 32.8 feet and add-on touch controls for effortless brightness adjustment from 5% to 100%. Equipped with advanced LED technology, this lamp saves energy and provides up to 1 lakh hours of use. Its stepless dimming and 3 color temperatures, warm, natural, and cool white, let you customize lighting for any mood or activity. With a safe, heavy base to prevent tipping, it's also family-friendly. The 350-degree rotatable light head ensures precise glare-free lighting, making it perfect for reading, work, or ambient lighting in any room. Number 2. Dimunt 15-watt LED floor lamp with remote and touch control. The Dimunt 15-watt LED floor lamp combines modern style with powerful functionality, making it a perfect addition to any home. With a sleek painted finish and metal base, this floor lamp is both durable and stylish. It features 112 high-brightness LEDs that provide up to 1,000 lumens, ideal for reading or relaxing in your living room or bedroom. Thanks to its adjustable brightness 10% to 100% and customizable color temperature settings 3000K to 6000K, you can create the perfect ambiance for any activity. The lamp's smart remote and touch control features allow easy adjustment from up to 16 meters away, and a 1-hour timer helps ensure a cozy, restful night. Designed with safety in mind, its weighted base prevents tipping and the LEDs stay cool to touch, safe for kids and pets. The memory function remembers your last settings, while the flexible gooseneck allows precise lighting adjustments. Simple to assemble and energy efficient, this lamp is a versatile lighting solution. Number 3. SIBRILLE 36-watt LED floor lamp with remote control. The SIBRILLE at least 36-watt floor lamp is a powerful and versatile lighting solution perfect for any room in your home. With a sleek coated finish and sturdy metal base, this 69-inch tall lamp brings both style and function. The 36-watt brightness is designed to illuminate entire rooms, and the 360-degree rotating head lets you direct light wherever needed to get. Ideal for reading or as an elegant torchiere lamp. With stepless dimming from 5% to 100% brightness and color temperature settings from 3000K to 6000K, you can easily create the perfect ambiance. Control the light using either the touch panel or the convenient magnetic remote, which attaches to the lamp pole, for easy access. Simple to assemble in just minutes, this lamp offers modern elegance and practicality, featuring a weighted 7.7-pound base for stability. Perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices, this floor lamp brings brightness, style, and safety to your space. Number 4. SUNMORY Floor Lamps 32-watt with remote control. The SUNMORY 32-watt LED floor lamp combines style, brightness, and advanced functionality to elevate any room. Coated for a sleek finish with a sturdy metal base, this lamp stands 69 inches tall, delivering 3,000 lumens of light. Ideal for bedrooms, living rooms, or offices, featuring stepless dimming 5% to 100%, and adjustable color temperature 3000K to 6000K. You can customize lighting to fit any mood or task, whether for reading, working, or relaxing. With a remote control that works within 50 feet, the SUNMORY lamp offers 4 lighting modes: reading, feeding, working, and night light for any setting. And its memory function remembers your last lighting choice. Its rotatable head, 360-degree horizontally and 180-degree vertically, allows precise light direction, while the heavy base ensures stability, making it safe around kids and pets. This energy-efficient lamp with a 300,000-hour lifespan consumes 80% less power than traditional bulbs, saving you on electricity bills. Easy to assemble, it's a perfect blend of practicality and style. Number 5. OUTON Floor Lamp 30-watt with remote and touch control. The OUTON 30-watt floor lamp is a sleek and versatile lighting solution with both remote and touch controls, allowing effortless adjustments to brightness and color temperature: warm, warm white, cool white, and daylight white. This modern torchiere lamp generates 3,000 lumens of soft, eye-friendly light, ideal for reading, relaxing, or creating a cozy atmosphere. The remote can attach magnetically to metal surfaces, keeping it conveniently within reach from up to 49.2 feet away. Designed with user convenience in mind, this lamp has stepless dimming for precise lighting control, a memory function to save your last settings, and a 1-hour timer for added efficiency. Its energy-saving LED has an impressive 500,000-hour lifespan, saving money and maintenance effort. The lamp's 360-degree adjustable head lets you direct light exactly where needed, while its weighted base ensures stability, making it safe for kids and pets. Simple to assemble and backed by a 2-year warranty, this lamp combines style, functionality, and peace of mind. That's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.